How to fix TikTok effects not working. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Now tap on the search bar and search for TikTok. Now tap on search. Now again tap on TikTok and make sure you have updated to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and open up your TikTok. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Again at the top right corner, tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down a bit. Now tap on free up space. Now tap on clear. Again select clear. Again clear your downloads. Now restart the application to see if your problem is fixed or not. If this doesn't fix your issue, keep holding your TikTok icon. Now tap on app info. Now tap on force stop. Again select force stop. Now tap on storage usage. Now tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now go back to your home screen and restart your phone. So by following these steps, I hope your problem should be fixed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.